Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Jaya Guru Raya.
Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Jaya Guru Raya.
Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Jaya Guru Raya.
Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Jaya Guru Raya.
Sri Rama Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Sri Rama Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Maharaj ki Vetti Vetti Jayam Jayam. Today we are going to see hard worker, successor in his life, in his business, Mr. Vasanta Kumar. He has a lot of branches in Tamil Nadu. All the people are called him number one dealer Vasanta Kumar. He went to the abode of Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Tiruvannamalai. Bhagavan asked him, who sent this beggar? Punkamraj from Kanyakumari, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Mantralayam Swamiji. Oh, he chanted this beggar Naam every time. He went to each and every houses, spread this beggar name, street, temples and everywhere. Has done my father, he has done my father's work perfectly. Then he called me after the darshan. He called me. He offered a prayer in front of Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar that some person, some company never given a huge amount. After the darshan of Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, he came out. A phone call came, he attended, and that to the same person, I am ready to give the entire crores of rupees in connection with the business. Immediately called me. Bhagavan has done a wonderful miracle in my life. So, he was happy at that time. Whenever we went to Chennai, went to his office, he asked him to chant Bhagavan's Nama with the bhajan troops. He is always put a big photo of Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, always worshipping and performing puja also. Whenever we went there, after the bhajans, you perform puja there and conducted prayer also. That prayer, lot of things, miracle had happened in his life. He attended our Jayanti of Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Kanimada Mantralaya. He delivered speech about his spiritual experience with Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. He is avatar of Lord Shiva. He is incarnation of Ayya Vaikunta. Several times he delivered speech like that. He has conducted lot of motivation classes like that in the TV. How to live, what is faith. Without faith, we cannot improve in our life. Such a way, give a motivation to all the young generation. Such a powerful personality. Only after the darshan of Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. He attended our Jayanti celebration several times. He attended Paramparul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Kumbhabhishekam, that is called 2005, 2017, like that. He delivered speech about that. All the times he gave the calendar printed by his press. He circulated all the people, more than 2000 calendar he has given. It was given to all our devotees, and shops and other people came and take that calendar. He asked me, he's always putting the Alaya Darshanam. He sent a person, cameraman, other things, they have conducted shooting here and published in his Asant TV channel. He asked me to please come. I have gone through so many bhajans in Rajapalayam, Chennai, Tiruchi, Madurai, Coimbatore, all the places. So please come and come along with your bhajans troops, and we are going to record your bhajans and publish to all the people, all the times. 7 days we were there and performed bhajans. His cameraman shooted that entire things, and weekly once he published our recording 1 hour without any advertisement. If we approach other TVs, can you arrange for advertisement people? If so, we will do. He never expect anything, because he told us, several people in the meeting also, Bhagavan provide all those things. In our business was started in a rental building. Bhagavan provided me and purchased the plot and constructed for our business. Such a gracious and lovable God in the world. Such a way he delivered speech like that. After his death, his son came here before the nomination of MB seat and performed puja here, and Bhagavan blessed a lot, and he won in the election. He is an MB right now. All are by the grace and blessings of Yogiram Surat Kumar. He has followed his father's principle, so that he came there. His father directly indicated that you must, whenever you go to Kanyakumari, you go to Kanimadam and perform puja there and attend the prayer. Such a way, the great things has done by the grace and blessings of Paramguru Yogiram Surat Kumar. So, Bhagavan's grace and blessing is always with his family members and business also. Jai Yogiram Surat Kumar Maharaj ki, Vetti Vetti, Jayam Jayam, Jayam Jayam,